No, this is a serious video about serious stuff, serious lightsaber stuff. Now look, this is a Profi neopixel from Crimson Dawn. This is the Prowler, and watch what happens.
I'm Ray.
Oh yeah, sure, you're Ray. Well, I don't care about that. Leia. Listen. What's going on here? Why is it doing that? Because the battery is low. Around 3.6, 3.7 volts. That's when you start to get these kind of weird malfunctions. And all you gotta do is plug it in and charge it, and they'll go away. The other thing,
Smooth Jedi.
Here's about where the Smooth Jedi is on the. You can see on the higher the charge, the closer to the tip this light will be. So see how far down the blade it is. Here, I'll put it on the floor. And you can see it's not that far down the blade. It's only about a third of the way down the blade. And that's about where you start getting your malfunctions, right around here. All right, so somebody wanted me to do that video for them, and now you know, right around 3.7, 3.6, it's time to charge it up. So have a great day. Smash a like for me, that helps me, and I'll see you on the next one.